meet the Gordon Richards of the circus ring, Henry the temperamental star trainer of Albert Bodie's act. Henry's being groomed for a brand new trick. The idea is for him to do a back somersault from the saddle. But today is Henry's off day. Nice day and no hard feelings, but nuts to this circus stuff. Albert explains the position, and Henry gives him the old line about the blood rushing up to his head. Henry's bored. He wants a holiday. He's all on edge and his heart's not in his work. See, it's just no go. Now Henry's mad. He'll report it to the union. He'll go sick. He won't go on. And just to prove he's as good as his word, he'll stand on his head till the boss gives in. And that's how Henry won the right to play cowboys and Indians instead of doing his lessons. Boys, they're the same the whole world over.